Finding it hard to make money with crypto? Imagine controlling your finances with just a few clicks. Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency. Welcome to Brain and Budget, your guide to digital currency. Today we're exploring cryptocurrency, a global phenomenon. Think of it as a new way to invest, changing finance and offering many ways to earn. But like any journey, knowing the way is key, especially if you're new. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to make money from crypto without confusion. So, if you're ready to start this financial journey, stay with us till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to Brain and Budget for more finance stories and tips. Welcome to the world of cryptocurrency. It's not just about Bitcoin or Ethereum. There are thousands of different coins and tokens, each with its own purpose. Bitcoin is like digital gold, while Ethereum is a platform for decentralized apps. This is just the start. New cryptocurrencies keep coming up, each with its own unique features. The core of cryptocurrency is blockchain technology. Blockchain is a decentralized system where data blocks are linked together, making transactions secure and transparent. Think of blockchain as a digital ledger where every transaction is recorded. Multiple nodes verify each transaction, ensuring security. This system is both secure and transparent, protecting against fraud and hacking. To store cryptocurrencies, you need a wallet. These digital wallets keep your cryptocurrencies safe. There are different types of wallets: hardware, software, and online. Each has its own pros and cons. Hardware wallets are physical devices that store private keys offline, making them very secure. Software wallets are apps on your computer or phone, while online wallets are web-based services. Each wallet has its own security features. Hardware wallets are the most secure but can be complex. Software wallets are convenient but can be hacked. Online wallets are the easiest to use but rely on a third party for security. Choose the best wallet for your needs. For long-term storage, use a hardware wallet. For daily use, a software or online wallet is more convenient. Exchanges are marketplaces where you can trade cryptocurrencies. Binance is one of the largest, offering many trading features. While Xerex is India's leading exchange, and CoinDCX is known for its user-friendly interface. On these exchanges, you can easily buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. There was a young investor named Raj. Raj was worried about losing his money in crypto. He remembered the saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket." So Raj started small, investing only what he could afford to lose. He began with just 5,000 or 10,000 rupees. As Raj learned more, he became more confident. Gradually, he invested more and watched his wealth grow. Imagine you're at a fork in the road. One way says HODL and the other says trade. Chapter 4, HODL or trade, choosing your investment strategy. If you choose HODL, you keep your coins for a long time, no matter what the market does. This is for those who believe in the future of cryptocurrencies. You don't worry about daily changes, you wait for your investment to grow. Picture yourself holding a Bitcoin and watching your wallet show steady growth. HODL is great for those who trust in crypto's future value. You don't stress about daily market changes, you just hold on and wait. Imagine being a confident investor looking at long-term growth charts and seeing an upward trend. HODL is for those who believe in crypto's long-term potential. You don't worry about daily swings. You hold your coins and wait for them to rise. Now, let's look at trading. Here, you try to make quick profits by buying low and selling high. This path is exciting but risky, especially for beginners. You need to watch market trends and understand technical analysis and news. Picture a trader watching multiple screens, tracking volatile market charts. Trading can be thrilling but also stressful. Quick profits are possible, but so are quick losses. If you're new, research and practice before starting. Imagine a friendly advisor telling a beginner, start with hodling. This is great advice for newcomers. Invest in well-known coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum and wait for long-term growth. Hodling lets you learn about the market at your own pace. Visualize Bitcoin and Ethereum coins with a growth chart in the background. As you review your long-term investment on a tablet, remember that patience and discipline are key. Choose your strategy wisely, keeping your financial goals in mind. Think of yourself as a treasure hunter in the world of crypto. The crypto market is like a wild ocean, unpredictable and full of surprises. One moment a coin can rise high and the next it can fall sharply. Imagine putting all your treasure in one chest. If it sinks, you lose everything. That's why spreading your investments is important. Besides Bitcoin, there are many other valuable coins like Ethereum, Solana, and Polygon. Be a smart treasure hunter. Do your research and spread your investments across different areas. If you love crypto and want to grow your money, listen up. This is Chapter 6, Passive Income with Crypto Staking. You can make money by staking your crypto. Curious? You look into it. Staking means locking your coins for a while and earning rewards. It's like putting money in a bank and getting interest. Staking is a safe and easy way to earn passive income, making your crypto journey even better. Once upon a time, a trader learned to never trade without research. This story teaches us to trade smart and invest wisely. Crypto trading is exciting but challenging. Stay informed and make smart decisions in this fast-changing market. Always watch the latest trends and news. We hope you learned something valuable about crypto. From basics to advanced strategies, we've discussed a lot. Remember, every investment has risks, and crypto is no different. Do your research and understand the risks before investing. Know your financial goals and risk tolerance. If you like this video, please like it and share it with your friends who want to learn about crypto. Sharing knowledge helps everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of our new videos. We'll keep bringing you informative content. And now for our special call to action. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll dive deeper into the world of crypto. Don't miss out on exclusive tips and strategies, and stay tuned for our special offer at the end. See you soon. In our next video, we'll talk about crypto wallets for beginners. We'll discuss the different types and their pros and cons. Please share your questions and suggestions in the comment section. Your feedback helps us improve our content. Until then, trade smart and invest wisely. Crypto trading is a journey, and we're here with you every step of the way. Stay tuned, stay informed, and happy trading.